Today I'm gonna show you how to make the sky gorgeously dramatic in Photoshop. So the first thing that we have to do is to create a solid color adjustment layer. Just hit OK, doesn't matter which color it is, and then turn it off. Double click on the symbol and sample the sky color. All we need to do just to make it darker and desaturate it a little bit. Just hit OK and then turn it back on. Select the mask, press Ctrl or Command I. Take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white, and just paint on the clouds. Just like that. Don't paint the trees, stay away from them. And make sure the brush is soft. And then double click on the right hand side of the layer. Take the slider of the underlying layer from right to left. But as you can see, it is very harsh. So just hold the Alt option, click on the slider, take it all the way to the right. And then take it to the left slowly and gradually. Now just have a look at this. Isn't it so amazing? Well, if you want, you can change the colors. Double click on it and you can change the colors to anything you want. I'll probably select this color, hit OK, and here's the before and here's the after. Let me know what you guys think about it. And that's how you guys can make the skies amazingly dramatic in Photoshop.